Hi, it's Keto Granny, and I'd like to say welcome to Keto Time with Keto Granny. And today I want to just give you 10 important tips when starting the ketogenic diet. When I first started the keto diet, I feel like if I would have had someone to talk with me, to help me get started, or to give me a little bit more information, then it makes it a little bit easier the more information that you have. Now, the 10 important tips that I would like to give you as far as starting the ketogenic diet. Number one is you have to be 100% committed to doing the keto diet. You have to be 100% committed because what you're going to do is you're going to switch from burning sugar to burning ketones as your main source of energy for your body. This requires a different type of eating. So, tip number one, be 100% committed to the keto diet. Number two, you need to consume less than 20 grams of carbs daily. Yes, you need to consume less than 20 grams of carbs daily. They say start with consuming between 20 to 50. I say consume as close to zero amount of carbs daily. That way you will get into ketosis faster and you won't have as many symptoms. Some people have symptoms of what is called the keto flu. It's not a disease or anything. It's just your body switching from sugar to ketones. It's a process. So that's number two. Eat less than 20 grams of carbs daily to get into ketosis faster. Tip number three. Don't worry about counting calories when first starting out on the ketogenic diet. You will have to worry about that later, but starting off, don't worry about counting carbs on the ketogenic diet when first starting. What you want to worry about is just getting your body to adjust from using sugar to start using ketones. Number four, you have to allow your body time to heal on the inside from inflammation and things that are going on the inside of your body. Once your body heals, then you start seeing other benefits as far as weight loss, more energy, and different things like that. Tip number five, you want to make sure that you eat enough fat, and you want to make sure that you eat good fats on the ketogenic diet. When first starting, make sure you get a grocery list and circle foods on there that you already eat, and then add to it a few foods that you want to try. If you see that you don't have enough fats, then maybe pick a couple of fats from that keto list and add them in that you want to add into your diet. You can do everything slowly. You don't have to just jump in and do everything all at once. Number six, eat enough protein. You must eat enough protein on the ketogenic diet or else you will lose your muscle mass. And what you need to know also is you don't want to eat too much protein on the ketogenic diet because protein breaks down into glucose. And you don't want to get too much protein and get thrown out of ketosis. Number seven, eat your vegetables. Eat plenty of vegetables on the ketogenic diet, especially leafy, green vegetables, and cruciferous vegetables. You need to have anywhere from 7 to 10 cups of vegetables daily, depending on how many meals that you're eating. But if you just remember to have 7 to 10 cups of vegetables daily, and this is where you're getting most of your carbohydrates is from your vegetables on the ketogenic diet. Tip number 8, learn how to calculate your net carbs. This is very important. Learn how to calculate your net carbs. And to do this, you would take your total carbs and subtract out the amount of fiber, and this will give you your net carbs. Take your total carbs, subtract your fiber, and that equals your net carbs. Number 9, remember that your keto journey is your keto journey. Remember that your keto journey is your keto journey. Don't compare yourself to anyone else. If you do this, you may get discouraged because you hear some people that lose 10, 12 pounds a week, and then there's those of us who only lose maybe 1, 2 pounds a week. Nonetheless, your journey is your journey, and don't compare yourself to others. Enjoy your journey. Enjoy the process. And number 10, be kind to yourself. Don't beat up on yourself If you don't happen to lose weight 1 week or you don't reach a goal, be kind to yourself. Always be kind to yourself. If it doesn't come, if it hasn't happened then, it will happen sooner or later. So just follow the diet, trust the process, and you will see results. Again, the 10 important tips that I wanted to give you, I'm going to go over those again. Tip number 1, be 100% committed. Give this diet at least 90 days to see if it's something that you would like to do, and that way you'll see some of the benefits at the same time. Number 2, consume less than 20 grams of carbs daily. Tip number 3, don't worry about counting calories starting the ketogenic diet. You will have to do that later on, but starting off, don't worry about that. You just want to learn basics about the diet, and you want your body to adjust from sugar to ketones. That's your main concern right now. Number 4, allow your body time to heal. Allow your body to heal from the inflammation. Allow your body to heal from all the things that are wrong with it, that are going wrong with it. It needs to get a little stronger. Once it gets stronger, then you start seeing some of the other benefits, such as losing weight, which comes after healing. Number 5, you want to eat good fats and you want to eat healthy fats. Number 6, make sure you eat enough protein on the ketogenic diet. Number 7, eat enough vegetables. This is where you get most of your carbohydrates, and you want to eat 7 to 10 cups of vegetables daily. Number 8, learn how to calculate your net carbs. To do this, it is total carbs minus your fiber equals net carbs. Number 9, remember that your keto journey is your keto journey. It's not like anyone else's journey, and you can't expect the same results that you see someone else getting. It's all going to be based on your body and your body type. Number 10, remember to be kind to yourself. Always be kind to yourself. This is Keto Granny saying, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, share, and comment. That way I'll know that you're enjoying the videos, and if you subscribe, you won't miss anything any videos that I make. So this is Keto Granny saying thank you for listening, and share. Share, share, share. Have a good day.